What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today, another very exciting tech video for you guys. And if you've been following robot vacuums over the past several years, you probably know that most robot vacuums don't actually know what they're cleaning up when they encounter a mess. They just detect something on the floor and react. Today we're going to talk about a robot mop and vacuum that truly feels different, and that is the Narwhal Flow 2, which is a sequel to Narwhal's popular Flow model, which was a huge hit. Narwhal Flow 2 feels different because it doesn't just see obstacles, it understands what's on the floor, and it adapts how it cleans around them. After using it in my home now for a couple of weeks, I can truly tell you that this feels less like a traditional robot mop and vacuum, and more like an appliance in your home that is truly thinking for itself. Today we're going to jump into the review, talk about all the new features on this model, how we've been using them, and what they can do for you. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The biggest upgrade with the Narwhal Flow 2 is the Narmind Pro autonomous system. This is where the intelligence really shows. It uses dual RGB cameras, so instead of just bumping into things, it can visually recognize different objects on the floor, like furniture legs, cables, pet items, toys, and treat each one of them differently for its cleaning approach. What impressed me is that it doesn't really clean exactly the same way depending on what it counters. It actually tailors its cleaning strategy depending on what it is actually recognizing in the environment. For stable objects like table legs, it cleans extremely close to maximize your cleaning coverage, and for normal obstacles, it keeps a bit more distance. Around pets or higher risk breakable items, it automatically backs off even further without me changing any settings in the app. The Narwhal Flow 2 can even detect valuable items like your iPhone on the floor while it is cleaning, and then it will send you a very clever alert after the cleaning is over that valuables have been found, and when you tap on that icon in the app, you'll be able to see exactly what was found. I tried this with my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it correctly identified the valuable was a mobile phone. This could be very helpful if you lose something. The Narwhal Flow 2 can actually help you find out where you left it if it happens to be on the floor. And of course, it also adapts its cleaning strategy depending on the type of debris or mess that it encounters. Dry debris, wet spills, light dust, heavier messes, they all have their own tailored cleaning strategy, and it adjusts automatically in real time. I don't have to babysit it or change any settings in the app like you might have to do on some other robot mop and vacuum units, and this is a real time saver and ultimately makes it a more hands-off process, which is exactly what you want from a cleaning bot. And if you have pets or young children, you'll find this model even more useful because Narwhal has tailored the Flow 2 for real families. Pet care mode recognizes pet active areas and focuses cleaning where the mess actually comes from. And for families, baby care mode keeps things quieter near cribs and avoids crawling mats, which adds peace of mind. We have a 1-year-old that's just about to turn 2, and he's walking, crawling everywhere, and of course also still taking frequent naps. So being able to not disturb him while he is napping, and then also making sure that there is no cleaning going on those crawling mats or in his play area is certainly added peace of mind for me and my wife. Now let's talk about the Flow Wash mopping system, because this is where the Narwhal Flow 2 really takes things to the next level when it comes to cleaning power. This isn't a drag around pad, it's a real rolling track mop that cleans continuously. Fresh heated water up to 140 degrees is sprayed directly onto the mop through multiple nozzles in real time. That means the mop stays clean as it works, and if you've used other robot mops, you know that this is absolutely a game changer and is going to make sure that your floor gets a lot cleaner. The mop applies real downward pressure just like you would if you were mopping the floor yourself, and there's a built-in scraper constantly removing dirt as it rolls. This is very, very impressive. You can tell that Narwhal really thought through how humans actually mop and tried to bring that to the Flow 2. Even with stuffer stains like dried spaghetti sauce or coffee, it clears everything in a single smooth pass. And what I appreciate most is the edge cleaning. The extendable track mop reaches right along walls and table legs, so you don't get those missed corners that most robot mops leave behind. Now, we have tons of baseboards around my house, and this edge cleaning is super key for us and our family, and this is truly next level with the Narwhal Flow 2. And of course, that's not all you get with the Narwhal Flow 2. It's not all about the mopping. You still get very impressive suction power and other great features. You get a sleek looking base station that fits any modern home and even has an indicator light right there at the bottom to let you know exactly what's going on with your bot at all times. And it's fully hands-free and it has built-in battery protection for smart battery management, so you don't have to worry about the longevity of the battery on your bot. In addition, the Narwhal app is incredibly easy to use, which is another thing that I really love about their robot mops and vacuums. Overall, if you have a lot of floors in your home, hard floors, that need mopping power, that is where the Narwhal Flow 2 really separates itself, in my opinion, from other cleaning bots. This is the one that you want to get if you have a lot of hardwood, you have a lot of marble, you have a lot of tile, which we definitely have in our house, as you guys can see from these cleaning clips. And it really does one of the best jobs I've ever seen at getting those really dried on stains that are caked on that other bots with the mopping power just wouldn't have the ability to get up. If you guys are interested in checking out more about the Narwhal Flow 2, I'll have all the links to purchase in the description, the pinned comment, as well as all the release info, any deals, coupon codes that Narwhal has provided. Huge shout out to Narwhal for sending out this unit and also for sponsoring this video. If you guys have any questions about whether this is a good fit for your home or any of the other features on the Narwhal Flow 2, definitely drop me a comment below. I'll be happy to get back to you guys. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.